Sean here. Today we're going to be speaking about what to do if you would like to change this optimized link into auto search find by flow. So it's a relatively simple process, and all you have to do is to highlight this entire portion by hitting Shift and dragging over this portion, hitting on Control or Command C, and then pasting it into your flow by hitting Ctrl or Command V. After which, you want to be mapping this portion straight into the search find by rotator. And what it's going to do is it's going to set the search find by keyword into whatever search find by keyword that you set in the settings. And you can change these search find by keywords by going into settings, custom fields, scrolling all the way down to pop fields, and right here you can change your keywords. So it's going to be asking the customer to search up the keyword that you specified, and by clicking on go to amazon.com, you're just helping minimize the time it needs for the customer to search your product. Also, you want to be making sure that you change the mapping for this step and instead map it straight here. So the final step would be connecting this step to the smart delay. And that's it. That's how you change your flow from an optimized link to an auto search find by. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know and I'll be happy to help.